petitioner's lawyer Madan Mohan Yadav is with us. मदन मोहन यादव जी, सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि जो ये मुद्दा रखा गया था कि बार बार रोका जा रहा है, जो कोर्ट कमिश्नर है उनको रोका जा रहा है, उन लोगों के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई की बात कही है कोर्ट ने?
उनके कार्रवाई के खिलाफ कोई बात नहीं कही है कि जिला प्रशासन, पुलिस कमिश्नरेट वाराणसी, गृह सचिव तक को स्पष्ट निर्देशित है इस कार्रवाई को 2 और सहायक अधिवक्ता आयुक्त के साथ 17 मई के अंदर सबमिट किया जाए न्यायालय के पटल पे।
तो आप कह रहे हैं 2 और अधिवक्ता, यानी कि कुल मिला के
2 और अधिवक्ता आयुक्त जी, एडवोकेट
मतलब
कमिश्नर
टोटल 3 अधिवक्ता होंगे अब कोर्ट कमिश्नर्स?
हाँ, तीन होंगे जी।
अच्छा, 3 कोर्ट कमिश्नर्स अब टोटल में होंगे।
एडवोकेट कमिश्नर जी,
एडवोकेट कमिश्नर। क्या कल से ही ये पूरी कार्रवाई शुरू हो जाएगी?
कल संभव नहीं, अभी हम बैठक करेंगे, उसके बाद सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
अच्छा, अब ऑर्डर जितना हमने पढ़ा है उसमें ये लिखा है कि जो अंजुमन इंतजामिया है उन्होंने कहा हमारे पास चाबी नहीं है तहखाने की, तो कैसे सर्वे होगा?
नहीं, वो जिला प्रशासन के पास चाबी है। जब से ये कॉरिडोर का विकास हुआ है, जिसमें ये बाधाएं जिनके भी पास थी उसको समाप्त करके जो विश्वनाथ धाम का विकास हुआ है उसमें सारी चाबियां, सारा पोजीशन इस समय जिला प्रशासन के पास है। केवल ज्ञानवापी कथित मस्जिद में ये अनुमति प्रदान की गई थी कि ऊपर जाके लोग अपना जुमे के दिन नमाज अदा कर सके।
अच्छा, कोर्ट ने अपने आदेश में क्या ये भी बोला है कि उन लोगों पे टिप्पणी की है जिन्होंने बार बार जबरदस्ती इस सर्वे को रोकने की कोशिश की?
नहीं, वो किसी प्रकार के दंडित करने की बात नहीं की गई। अभी बात करने सम्मिलित होंगे।
अच्छा, मदन मोहन यादव जी, ये बताइए कि ये जो पूरा रिपोर्ट है इसमें क्या क्या सम्मिलित करने के लिए बोला है कोर्ट ने? क्या कुछ पता चलेगा इस रिपोर्ट में? क्या उसमें ये पता चलेगा कि क्या सच में तहखाने में गौरी गणेश हैं कि नहीं, या फिर वहां विष्णु जी, नंदी, शिवलिंग, इस बात पे भी रिपोर्ट आएगी? ओके, आई थिंक Mr. Yadav is in the middle of a lot of activity there. He is, of course, representing one of the petitioners, so one can imagine he's going to be a busy man today. In a while from now, he said a meeting is also going to be held, which is going to decide the contours of the survey going forward. Harish is joining us live. He, in fact, was in the court as well. Yes, over to you, Harish.
Yes, Padmaja, as you had earlier rightly said, that the biggest takeaway, in fact, from the order is that to break open the basement, that is the tekhana of the mosque. Remember, the advocate, the masjid side had, in fact, on 6th and 7th, stoutly objected to, in fact, physically prevented the advocate commissioner delegation to enter even the inside of the mosque. They were not allowed anywhere beyond the peripheral walls or western walls and the area outside the barricade. Just when they tried to enter the barricade, they were in fact physically prevented, and in fact there was reportedly some skirmishes. This was what they had told the court, that there were some even skirmishes, following which even the district magistrate had to be rushed in, and the district magistrate had given full power to the advocate commissioner and had said that I will provide the security because this is a court order, we have to implement it. But even on the second day, they were unable to enter the mosque. But today, the civil court has issued an unambiguous order with a great clarity. This was what the Hindu side had demanded from the court, saying that there was some confusion in the order regarding the wordings, so the court kindly clarified. So today in the order copy, which has been accessed by Times Now, the order copy says that the court clearly says that the survey should go on. It can be resumed even from tomorrow if required. The court has not specified any date to resume the survey, but has only said that a report be submitted by May 17th. There is only a deadline to submit a report after conducting the survey. So, but the biggest takeaway is that almost all of the demands placed by the Hindu devotees have been agreed upon by the court and has been upheld. Number 1, commissioner should not be changed. Number 2, the survey should resume. Number 3, the tekhana, that is the basement, should be broke open, and so that the truth can come out. Remember, the Hindu devotees have been telling the court that every attempt was being made to ensure that the truth does not surface. the masjid side was doing everything for it, so the court should take notice. But as of now, the court has not invoked the contempt jurisdiction against the masjid committee, but has very significantly said, it is written in the order that whoever prevents the advocate commissioner from henceforth should be arrested and FIR should be lodged against him. Back to you.
Fact that not only will the court have the entire survey carried out, but anyone who is going to stand in the way is now going to face penal action. Some of the lawyers who came out, in fact, even said, Harish, that the court said, agar tale nahi khole jate, to tale tod do. The court really being very, very explicit when it's talking about getting the job done now.
Yes, so that's right, Padmaja. The court has come down very heavily on what has happened on May 6th and 7th. It has just stopped short of initiating contempt proceedings against the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid. The Masjid committee, which had on 6th and 7th objected, prevented and ensured that the Advocate Commissioner delegation, who was also accompanied by representatives of both sides, were not allowed inside the mosque, inside the disputed area, and only after entering that they could have made their way into the basement, where according to the Hindu devotees there are large number of idols, much more than what is there on the western wall of the mosque. And they told the court that there are huge mandaps, Ram Katha mandaps, and also several lotus signs, Vishnu, Shivling, and also Nandi. They also pointed out to the fact that there is no Nandi Murti in India, in Indian temples, which is facing towards a mosque, because the fact that the Nandi statue is facing a mosque is evidence to the fact that there existed a huge Vishnu idol or a Shivling, Shiva idol or a Shivling. So this is proof that the temple was raised to build the 17th century mosque. So very, very significant, very categorical order coming out from civil judge Ravi Kumar Divakar, and it's a big win for the Hindu devotees.